In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Vervoort Smoothed %B indicator in TradingView Pro in a quick and easy way. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to load it on your chart, and how to access its settings so you can start customizing it for your own trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for this setup. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located in the main toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicator and Strategy menu. When that panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or community indicator. Click inside the search bar to activate it, and then type in Vervoort Smoothed %B. Be sure your spelling is correct. Even a small typo can keep the indicator from showing up in the list. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the available indicators. Look through the results for the one named Vervoort Smoothed %B. Once you see it in the list, click on it one time. TradingView will automatically add it to your active chart, and you should see the indicator appear, typically in a separate pane below your price chart. With the indicator now added, the next step is to access its settings so you can adjust it to your preferences. Move your cursor over the indicator's name in the pane where it's displayed. You'll see a small gear icon appear, which represents the settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window for the Vervoort Smoothed %B. Inside the settings window, you can adjust parameters like lengths, smoothing options, and visual style, depending on what the script offers. Take a moment to explore these options. If you're newer to this indicator, you might want to start with the default settings, then later tweak line colors, thickness, or style to make it easier to read on your chart. When you're happy with the adjustments, click OK or close the window to save your changes. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, check out the link in the description below this video. Using that link, you can create your account and unlock the full charting experience. Then follow these exact steps to add and customize the Vervoort Smoothed %B indicator on your own charts.